Would you like to reply?
Whoa, whoa,
you know, like a Matrix style thing of a future that I created that I would have wanted, where they feed me delicious food of ducks and extravagant items, and then they're also how we do.
All right.
I think we can make it.
Yeah.
The truck. What do you think?
I think you're good.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's all good. We're good. We'll stay until he comes.
How bad was it?
Pretty bad. I see his tailgate lifted up a little bit. Okay.
There's a car behind us too. Should I go out and check it?
Yeah.
Querido Facebook, hoy
It's okay.
oh, sigue, sigue, sigue.
¡No puedo! La llanta pienso que se me fue.
Are we okay?
Yes, we're okay. Checa la llanta.
I checked his text messages and found the one he'd sent to Angus when we were at the hospital. I need her out of... Sinking into the armchair in the corner of the room, I stared
really
at the
close.
message. Need, not want. For some reason, the word
The cop was walking this way, and they only showed the first shot. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I could walk over there, Jess.
What the fuck are you doing?
But obviously you did something because you said, "Oh shoot." I thought I was supposed to go right and not left. What I missed?
Oh my god, we have to go.
Bye, Tony. That's all I want.
And then on top of it, you're so afraid of making a complaint about it because you could lose your housing.
Really?
You know? Sleep is fine. I just have some weird shower story.
Okay, Garmin. Save it. Wow. Okay, presto.
If you like this video, please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.